So I'm going to be teaching you how to take trades with this one. Okay. Now this is a weekend. All right. So I'm going to be trading synthetic indices. All right. I'm going to be trading synthetic indices. Now, if you want to take a trade, you have to look for the one that is moving, not just you look for trade that is moving nicely, so that you don't waste your time waiting for so long. But if you're a swing trader like me, I like to take my time. Okay, I even like to analyze on high time frames, but I'm looking at to take a quick trade right now, and I'm looking at volatility 25 index. If I want to get a sharp trade, I would like to go on a smaller time frame. Okay, on a smaller time frame. Now, if you want to take a picture, upload, you have to take a picture. Ensure that your screen is horizontal like this. Okay, not portrait, landscape. All right, let it be like this. All right, so that you can take a good trade. Now, I'm going to just take a screenshot of it this way and upload on my app. All right, all I have to go is new analysis. Select this thing and click on all signals so that it gives me, and it will analyze the chart for me. I don't have to stress. Using what it is seeing, the prices it's seeing, the trend it's seeing, my strategy, everything. Okay. And now it is telling me to sell. What are the entry zones for a sell? It is telling me between 2857 and 2862. It's telling me to sell between 2857 and 2862. All right, that's where it is telling me to sell. So right now it is currently at 2857.14. So looking at it, I would love to take a sell at the 2862. Oh, it has even touched there. It has even touched there. It is selling from there. Oh my goodness. So 2857, I'm just going to enter a sell. I'm just going to enter a sell. Let's see how this goes. 2857. I would have entered since, so I went and entered at 2856. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. The other place they told me to wait for is 2862 from there. All right, because if you look at the entry 2862, 2857, stop loss to be, it's a sell, right? Just to be sure. Stop loss will be 2865. 2865. It gives you stop loss of 2865. 2865. 2865. 2865. And I modify. So always set your stop loss. The trade is going well so far. All right, the trade is going well so far. Let's check how the trade is going. Okay. You have to be patient and wait for this to happen. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in blue. All right, we are in blue. I don't want this to be long, but I'll be showing you how it went later on.